Hello, everyone. I'm John. I'm one of the group members for the cybersecurity team senior design project. Today, I'm going to be giving a demo, how to use video on how to use our templates on Nuclei, which is a vulnerability template based scanner. So, first things first, you have to have both your virtual machines installed. Um, I'm sure you've learned that by now from the install videos. Um, to log in, you just go ahead and do MSF admin for both username and password. That's going to be for our Metasploitable machine, which is the machine that we're going to be scanning. The machine that we're running the scanning on is called Kali Linux. It's what has Nuclei installed. So we're going to open up the terminal, give ourselves admin by this command, and now we have root user. So the first thing that we want to do is navigate to the folder that has our templates. So we're going to go ahead and find that. For this demo, I have the templates in this folder. And these are all the templates that we're going to be testing. This isn't all our templates, it's just the one for this demo video. So now that we're logged in onto both machines, we are going to make sure we have the right IP address. So run command. So as we see, it's 10.0.2.4. So that's the IP that we're going to be targeting. If you watch the previous install videos, you know that both machines have to be connected to the same network. So right away, if we want to say we want to scan that Metasploitable machine, we're going to go ahead and do nuclei dash u 10.0.2.4 T. So we're just telling it to scan, and now we get to pick any one of our templates. For the first one, we're just going to do mine, which is this one. And we'll go ahead and run it. And as you see, it was rather quick because we're just using one template, but we go ahead and get a critical vulnerability on 10.0.2.4 on port 3632. And it tells us right here what it is. It's C backdoor. So yeah, that was just a template to find a remote backdoor through a C compiler program that's not configured. Say we want to go ahead and run the same target run, but using a different template, we could go ahead and instead, so let's say we want SQL injection .yml, and that runs that vulnerability, and we go ahead and get something back. This is all coming from the Metasploitable machine. We are simply just scanning from the Kali machine, which is communicating to the target, which is the IP of the Metasploitable machine. So this becomes way more useful though when we can use a whole bunch of templates on one target. That way it's like throwing out the fish net, and we could, really find the vulnerabilities within a system. So we can go ahead and just run the folder that it's in, and it's going to run all the um, you know templates that we have in that folder, and then we're going to get our results. There we go. So yeah, so we see we have the backdoor one from earlier, and we also have the JavaScript injection one with the ID. If we want to see more about that specific template, we could go to that template and we could read the description. For example, let's go to our templates here, and we'll just go to mine. They each have a description that explains the vulnerability. You can also run the template and you can save the results to a text file. Just let it run real quick. I know it already saved, but well, we could just open it now. Okay, there we go. And then here we go. We can save that for further analysis. There's also different tools you can use while you're making these. For example, you could do dash debug. Let's just do mine debug. This is useful for when you're creating it and it's not really working. Right now, it's not going to make much sense, but when there's an error, it just gives you more an in-depth error, tells you where the error is in your YML code. And yeah, that's how you use nuclei. Thank you for watching.